Hey, Mommy.
Taking advantage of it?
Yeah, we do
Hey.
about 375 meals a day.
Wow.
Hey,
Yeah.
Mommy.
Wow.
Yep, yes. Are you going to help me carry some stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to bring some up there in here?
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
You'll need napkins. Here's some
Okay,
napkins.
thank you.
Hey, Mommy. Can I do your thing?
You can do our thing.
The
If you want to pull right up to
unlocking the door.
Oh, I don't mind walking.
Okay.
Miss Penny, nice to meet ya.
Yeah, she was just asking about you, William. All
Yeah.
right.
Yep.
You look very nice today. You matched your clothes well.
I know. It is.
And your tennis shoes match mine. Look at that. We have matching tennies. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, here first. Got it.
The door is open, so that's good. Hello, guys. Yeah. Going good.
It was donated to us.
Let's see, is it running? Nope. So that means let's take a tour. Hey, Mommy. Oh, man. Miss Penny, do you like the ovens in here?
Say bye to Miss Penny, William.
Miss Penny.
Say bye.
Bye. You see me working on your ovens? Miss Penny, you see me? Let's see, nothing's in here? Nope. And there's the fan right back there. Hopefully if we can catch on that.
I was surprised she didn't tell me to do that when I talked to her the first time. She said there's enough pizza that everybody should go to.
There we go. There it goes. The top one is running.
I know.
Yep. Hey, Mommy, you see me working on your ovens?
Hey, look, we got pizza donated to us. That's why we're here. Good, okay.
Hey, guys.
Hello. This is my son, William. Okay. He comes every day and helps. Yeah. He wants to sit down.
Hey, Mommy, do you see me working on your ovens?
I do see you working on the oven, William. Did you make sure it was in? Is it empty?
Nope. Nope, yep.
You want to rinse on them today? Not Tiffany? We'll rinse on them, William.
Yep.
And then you have to go do the dishwasher too, right?
Yep. Well, nice. It's working good. It's going good, Erica. Erica, right? Got it. All right, let's do the dishwasher, shall we? Got some little steam right there because I think somebody has actually leave it on. And there it goes. You hear that the pump kick in. All right. All right.
Did you hear the compressor kick on and off there yet, Bill?
The compressor. No. Nope.
I think he missed it today. He is obsessed with compressors.
And ice machines like the ones I have.
Yeah.
Like the ones I have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do the dishwasher already?
I did, yes.
You forgot to turn the light off.
Oh, can I do that?
That's your job. Thank you.
Yeah. Is that the compressor? No. Yeah. I think the compressor may start.
We have to have our usual
No.
That's right.
I think the compressor may start here shortly, Mommy. I think so. Yeah, since you know a lot about ice machines, aren't you? Yep. I think the compressor may start here shortly in just a... Let's see, is it on? Hey, Mommy, I think the compressor may be start in just a second.
Oh, you think so? Let's see. I don't think so, William. I think it's too full.
I think it's too full for the...
Yeah.
I think it's too full.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard something.
All right.
Oh, I just heard something, Mommy.
Okay, you heard our doorbell, huh?
I did, yes. You know, Miss Tiffany, I love you very much.
And I love you too, William. I so enjoyed it when you come and play with us.
She just wants to take a picture of us with the pizza.
Yeah.
William, you want to come get in the picture? Come on.
Yeah. Erica, what is that?
She wants to take a picture with us with the pizza. Hey, come stand over here, William. Go around. Hey. I know, it's hard.
I know.
It's way hard. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you again, Penny. Bye. Tell Tony we said hey. We miss him.
And tell Tony
Tell Tony what?
to say hello.
Say to Tony about DJing.
Thank you. I am $1 million Will.
He is $1 million Will. That's what he said. That's his DJ name.
Yep.
Right.
Yep. I like that noise that it makes. Like once you open it, I like that noise.
Oh, yeah. Right, the little photo.
Let's see. I hope we will make the compressor kick in here soon. I don't know if the compressor may start because it's too full for the compressor. Let's see. It's cold, isn't it? I think the compressor may start. I just heard something. Mommy, I heard something.
You did?
Yep. It's vibrating, Mommy. I heard it. Mommy, now do you know why it's vibrating? You know, because I've been using it.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Come on.
Yes.
Oh, you want to run the disposal? This is what we put all the food in.
Can you show me?
It started right there.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just like the one at home, but way better.
Yeah.
Then you can hit stop. Is it ready? All right, hit stop. See? Digital display.
Off, yep. I see.
All right. All right, come on.
Yep.
I will be home very soon, okay?
It's vibrating, Mommy. A little.
Okay, come on.
It's buzzing a little bit.
Bye. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. So it takes about a minute or two for the compressor to kickstart, right?
Right. Did Daddy bring my wallet?
My dad forget about that.
He did?
Yeah. Yep.
Hey, did you bring my wallet? Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye.